Introduction. Today's Valeria and Ana are going to talk about the daily routines university students. Hi Anna, how are you?
Hi Valeria, I'm fine, thank you. Today we are going to talk about our university routines.
I usually wake up early during the weekend. I have a key breakfast.
I wake up early too. I take a shower, get a rest, and then prepare my backpack.
In the morning, I go to the university and then my class.
I also go to class in the morning, so they I have lectures and group work.
After class, I ate lunch at the university or at home.
I usually eat lunch with friends near the campus.
At night, I review my notes and prepare for the next day.
Me too. Sunday I study in the library because it is quaint.
University routine are busy, but they help me stay organized.
Yes, I have a routine helps you manage our time better.
Conclusion. Daily routines help me university students stay organized and manage their time better.